Well, it's been a little while. I've got my new motor in, or new to me motor, 118,000 miles on a 99, 5.7. The old motor I have not taken apart yet to find out what the noise was. I will later. We're moving in about a month, so it'll be later. I have had it running, and there's a small miss. I haven't figured out where it's at yet. It could be because my exhaust is bad. I'm still waiting for it to come in. I've ordered a new exhaust, the exhaust pipe. Well, there's two catalytic converters on this thing, and one of them is bad. That's where I hear the exhaust leak right now. So I'm just waiting for that piece to come in, and I'll put that on, and it should make it a lot quieter, and hopefully it'll get rid of a lot of my codes that I have. I also ordered one of those Bluetooth OBD plugs that I can hook up to my phone, and so I'll be able to read my codes a lot quicker. So it's been fun. It went in a lot quicker than it went out. It took me a long time to get it out, but it went in really quick. So my new motor.
I'm gonna move.
The other side. Get
back here. Emma.
Put on the engine stand for me. You good?
Hi, Dad.
Yeah, you're good.
And there you have it, folks.
Sounds different, doesn't it?
Yeah! The Suburban is now fixed.
So I drove around the block. It ran pretty good. It's not really missing right now, so maybe it just had some stuff to work out. I know I need to get the exhaust on there. I think that'll make a big difference, but I come back home to this. My daughter started playing in the oil. Got little handprints and little feet prints. The clothes she had on was it's full of grease. She's in the bathtub right now. And it's my fault. I shouldn't have left before I had the area cleaned up. But we'll laugh about it later. Especially the little handprints. Make sure she didn't touch anything. At least she took her shoes off before she went in the house. That's a good thing. Now, thanks for watching.